So instead of every changing and clicking on set, better to set inside of scrolls while it is changing. I close the form running, and if I double click on any scroll bars, as you see by default we are inside of the change, which this is ideal for our scroll bars live changing. Every time we're dragging, it will change. So I directly move this code here instead of scroll bar 1. Allow me to remove this section. Let's try is it working or not. And note that it is not lively working while dragging. You have to release to apply the changes. I close it, and simply I could copy that, right click copy, go to the scroll bar 2, paste it, or of course I could copy the whole, paste it here, and next one is scroll bar 3. Alright, let's try it. Green, red, and blue, and of course combinations together. How about while we're dragging, we could use actually other events. As an example, on the scroll bar, on the procedure, which I call event, we have several events like before update, before drag over, before drag or paste, or after update. It depends on you. Also, we have one event name scroll. If I click on that and move instead of change inside of scroll, note that while live I'm dragging, every change is applied. So I think it is better, instead of using the change, use the scroll. Because there is no extra parameters, instead of going each scroll bar and change the procedure and copy, actually I could just rename them. Right click copy the scroll, instead of change procedure, use the scroll. And now we have live update here. It is much more suitable for user.